Ohm's law applicable to both conductors and electrolyte solutions. Now Ohm's law is equal to V by R. Now conductors. Conductors, what is conductors? A substance or a medium which when connected to a sources of electric current to pass through it, called as conductors. Conductors may be a substance or a medium which when connected to a sources of electric current to pass through it. అంటే ఏదైతే పదార్థం ఉందో పదార్థం అనేది దాని ద్వారాగా విద్యుత్ ప్రసారానికి వీలుగా ఉంటుందో అటువంటి దాన్ని కండక్టర్స్ అని అనడం జరుగుతుంది. అయితే కండక్టర్స్ ఆర్ టూ టైప్స్. కండక్టర్స్ ఆర్ టూ టైప్స్. First one, electronic conductors. Second one, electrolytic conductors. So electronic conductors. What is electronic conductors? Those which conduct electricity due to. So electronic conductors, those which conduct electricity due to electrons. So electrons యొక్క కదలిక వలన ప్రసరించే విద్యుత్తునే వాటిని ఎలక్ట్రానిక్ కండక్టర్స్ అంటారు. సో electrolytic conductors. So what is electrolytic conductors? Those which conduct electricity due to charged particles, momentum of charged particles like ions. So this is the electrolytic conductors. So electrolytic conductors are those which conduct electricity due to momentum of charged particles like ions. అంటే విద్యుత్ విశ్లేషణ ద్రావణంలో ఆయాన్ల కదలిక వలన అక్కడ ప్రసరించే విద్యుత్తునే అక్కడ ఎలక్ట్రాలిటిక్ కండక్టర్స్ అని అనడం జరుగుతుంది. సో మొబిలిటీ ఆఫ్ ఆయాన్స్ ఇన్ ఎలక్ట్రాలిటిక్ కండక్టర్స్, మొబిలిటీ ఆఫ్ ఆయాన్ల కదలిక వలన ప్రసరించే విద్యుత్ ఎలక్ట్రాలిటిక్ కండక్టర్స్ అని అనడం జరుగుతుంది. అయితే కండక్టెన్స్, the conductance or current conducting capacity as an electrolytic solution expressed as, so first one, specific conductance, it is denoted by small k. Here the conductance or current conducting capacity as an electrolytic solution expressed as specific conductance. First one is specific conductance ద్వారా express చేయడం జరుగుతుంది. It is denoted by K. And second one, so equivalent conductance, it is denoted by lambda eq. And third one, molar conductance. It is denoted by lambda m. So generally ఏదైనా వాహనం ద్వారా విద్యుత్ ప్రసరించడానికి వెసులుబాటుగా ఉండేదాన్ని అక్కడ వాహకము కండక్టెన్స్ అని అనడం జరుగుతుంది. సో ద కండక్టెన్స్ ఆర్ కరెంట్ కండక్టింగ్ కెపాసిటీ యాజ్ అన్ ఎలక్ట్రోలైటిక్ సొల్యూషన్, అంటే విద్యుత్ విశ్లేషణ ద్రావణంలో యొక్క వాహకత యొక్క కెపాసిటీని మూడు విధాలుగా ఎక్స్ప్రెస్ చేయడం జరుగుతుంది. ఫస్ట్ వన్ స్పెసిఫిక్ కండక్టెన్స్, సో విశిష్ట వాహకత అని అనడం జరుగుతుంది. రెండోది ఈక్వివాలెంట్ కండక్టెన్స్, థర్డ్ వన్ మోలార్ కండక్టెన్స్. కాబట్టి సో ఈ మూడు విధంగా వ్యక్తం చేయడం జరుగుతుంది. సో ఫస్ట్ వన్ చూసుకుంటే ఫస్ట్ వన్ స్పెసిఫిక్ కండక్టెన్స్. సో హౌ టు ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ ద specific conductance K. Now take a container. This container so kept in two parallel electrodes. Between separate them unit length, separate the unit length. So this is conducting plate. This is also conducting plate. Here this is a conducting plate or also conducting plate, separate unit area. This terminal connect to positive terminal, this connect to negative terminal, connected the battery. So battery positive terminal, battery negative terminal connect the battery. So here conducting plate, now here of course here. So in this conducting plate length, here also conducting plate, length 1 centimeter, height are also 1 centimeter, So this 1 centimeter, of course this is also 1 centimeter length, this is also 1 centimeter, 1 centimeter. So here, so conducting plate, another conducting plate, two parallel conducting plates. So separate the unit area, So the container filled with, of course container filled with electrolytic solution. Container filled with electrolytic solution. Here solution electrolyte. So electrolyte solution taking in this container. So in generally here length of the conducting plate L is equal to 1 centimeter. This is the conducting plate. So area of cross section is equal to A is equal to 1 centimeter square. So area A is equal to 1 centimeter square. So here length 1 centimeter, here length 1 centimeter. L is equal to 1 centimeter. A is equal to area cross section is 1 centimeter square. Of course, here in this electrolyte solution volume V is equal to length into L into A. Of course, length into width into height. So here L into A, L is equal to 1 centimeter into area centimeter square. The V is equal to centimeter cube. Here in this container, volume, electrolyte volume V is equal to centimeter cube value. Now, in equivalent conductance, the conductance due to presence of all ions. So in that which containing volume of electrolyte is equal to 1 centimeter cube. ఘన సెంటీమీటర్ విద్యుత్ విశ్లేషణలో నుంచి ఉత్పత్తి కండక్టెన్స్ ని ఇక్కడ మనకి స్పెసిఫిక్ కండక్టెన్స్ అని అనడం జరుగుతుంది. అయితే హియర్ కండక్టింగ్ ప్లేట్ it is offer a resistance, a large extent or small extent. It depend upon the electrolyte or conductor's plate. So resistance of the conductance plate R is directly proportional to length of the conductance plate, and it is inversely area of the cross section, that is equal to A. So leave the proportional, adding a constant rho, as usually L into A. Here rho is equal to proportionality constant, that is equal to specific resistance. Specific resistance or resistivity. So So rho is equal to resistivity or specific resistance resistance. Now conductance depends on number of ions, or also ions can easily flow through the conductance plate. So conductance C is equal to, it is a reciprocal of resistance. Conductance C is equal to reciprocal of resistance. So that's why C is equal to 1 by R. C is equal to 1 by R. Now here C, the conductance C is equal to 1 by R. That means 1 by R, 1 by rho into 1 by L by A. That means A by L. A by L. Here 1 by rho is equal to a constant, another constant to K. So conductance C is equal to K into A by L. Now K is equal to specific conductance, or K is equal to kappa, or also K is equal to known as conductivity. Here K is equal to specific conductance, or K is equal to kappa, or K is equal to conductivity. Here in this step C is equal to K into A by L, but K, conductivity K is equal to C into L by A. K is equal to here C into L by A. Now so K is equal to C into, means L by A is a cell constant. Now here cell constant is equal to K by C. K is specific conductance. Specific conductance by conductance. Now, specific conductance. Briefly, specific conductance. So V is equal to 1 centimeter cube. అంటే ఒక ఘనపు సెంటీమీటర్ ఎలక్ట్రోలైట్ ద్రావణం నుంచి ఉత్పత్తి అయ్యే వాహకతని ఇక్కడ స్పెసిఫిక్ కండక్టెన్స్ అని అనడం జరుగుతుంది. సో another term, second one, equivalent conductance. This is lambda eq. So here equivalent conductance lambda eq in this conductance due to presence of all ions present. So conductance due to presence of all the ions present in that which which volume of electrolyte solution which containing 1 gram equivalent electrolyte solution. So equivalent conductance lambda eq is equal to, so as usually here same setup, that means container and also electrolyte solution, the two parallel plates, it is separated by the unit area which connected to battery. Here in this electrolyte solution, so electrolyte solution V is equal to 1 gram equivalent weight. Electrolyte taking so 1 gram equivalent electrolyte solution taking on in this compartment. So it arises of conductance. Now in this 1 gram equivalent electrolyte solution, 1 gram equivalent solution. Now here gamma EQ is equal to gamma EQ, that is equal to equivalent conductance is equal to specific conductance K into V. Specific conductance and as usually two parallel electrodes conductance, it is separated by unit area, same is there, so that's why specific conductance into volume, that means volume of which contain 1 gram equivalent electrolyte solution. Here in this difference, so gamma EQ is equal to specific conductance into V, that means volume of which contain 1 gram equivalent weight. Here electrolyte 1 gram equivalent weight. So here 1 gram equivalent weight, that means it is measured as normality. So N is equal to number of gram equivalent weights, by in liters, volume in liters. But number of gram equivalent weight 1 gram. So N is equal to 1 by V in liters. V in liters is equal to 1 by N. Now V in centimeter cube, liters centimeter cube is equal to 1 by N into, so centimeter cube into 1000. Here equivalent gamma EQ is equal to specific conductance K into, so 1000 by N. This is the equivalent conductance. So equivalent conductance lambda EQ is equal to specific conductance K into 1000 by N. And third one, molar conductance. Molar conductance. It is denoted by lambda m. So in molar conductance, here is same container. So two parallel electrodes, metal electrodes, it is separated by unit area. of course, the electrolyte solution 1 gram molar, taking in 1 gram molar solution. So in this conductance due to all the ions present in that which contain 1 gram molar electrolyte solution. Here in this compartment, so electrolyte taking 1 gram molar solute, 1 gram molar electrolyte solution taking. So now in this molar conductance lambda m is equal to, so same as usually, so conductance plate separated by unit area, of course cross section area A, so it is specific conductance K into V volume. Here V volume 1 gram molar electrolyte solution taken. So that's the volume of which contain, in this case which contain 1 gram molar electrolyte solution. So 1 gram molar, 1 molar means molarity, it is measured molarity is equal to number of N by V in liters. So N number of moles, N means number of moles, so equal to 1. So M is equal to 1 by V in liters is equal to 1 by M. That means V in liters in centimeter cube, that is equal to 1 by M into 1000. Volume V is equal to 1 centimeter cube, that is 1 by M into 1000. So molar conductance lambda M is equal to specific conductance K into 1000 by M. This is the molar conductance. So main difference, specific conductance electrolyte solution volume 1 cube, electrolyte solution 1 cube, but equivalent conductance 1 gram equivalent weight electrolytic solution taking, and molar conductance 1 gram molar solution taking in this compartment. So there is a conductance in 3 ways. So conductance expressed in 3 ways. First one specific conductance, second one equivalent conductance, third one molar conductance.